Hello sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of SEO Dominator. Okay, so in this video mainly I will talk about my bonuses and also how can you get the demo and what is this software and what is the main purpose and SEO is one of the mainly stuffs these days to rank on online. That's why this software has been made, and I will give you a detailed review and detailed demo, but I have not accessed this software. Let me clear you firstly. I will tell the reason of that also. Okay, so now let me just start the review. Okay, so this is the review page you can see, and once you have clicked the video description link, you will be redirected to the software and also the bonuses, which values almost $6,397 that have collected from so many days by me, and I am working on this field from so many days. This type of bonus you will be getting. So now just let me show you the bonuses and also about the software. Okay, so this is a meme created by me because I always want people buy their product with a big smile. That's why I always create meme. So this is the software cover box, and this is the ratings. Okay, so feature and facilities, I have seen the demo, and that I will show you that how you can get the demo. Okay, from the demo I have given this rating, and I never consider market hits on overall section, but these four average of these four and also a little bit higher I give on this overall section. Okay, so performance is also good, and market hits though I never consider on overall, and ease of use is little bit lesser because this software is little bit complicated, and value for money is really good because I have seen the demo very goodly. And this is the monthly price, and yearly price is $227, but you can choose also the monthly price. Okay, now let me show you what is this software and from where you can get the demo. Okay, so all of the thing I will show you. So this is the main video. I want to repeat that this is the main video where you can get a detailed overview and detailed demo and detailed idea about this software. Okay, so SEO Dominator is a very good software, and let me show you. This video is near about 32 minutes 56 seconds, and they have detailedly, the authority or the owner have detailedly described about this software, and you can check this video for demo. I have not able to review access this software because the demo version that I have been given by them. I just tried to open it, and let me show you what will show the thing to me once I have put the email and the license key also that was given by them. It will show me that invalid license, and I have tried so much time, near about 20 to 30 times, and I was just fed up, and I leave it, and I thought I will tell you to go through this video about SEO Dominator. You will be learned about SEO Dominator demo, whether this software will be good for you or suitable for you. Okay, so now let me show you the main thing which I want to show you, the bonuses. Okay, so by clicking these buttons you can get easily access the software and the bonuses also. So this is the bonuses. Let me show you. So one by one I have put here so many images, and after 24 bonuses I have put here some little description and also images, because I think same thing is boring. That why I have selected unique way. Okay, so after 50 bonuses, let me show you, and after 50 bonuses I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, and it is the total is the summation of 50 and 270 is coming out 320. That means I am giving you 320 plus bonuses with this software, and which worth near about $6,397, as I have told you before, and this will be given to you totally free once you have brought the front end product from my side. Okay, so my principle is very simple. Once maybe one is giving you more than me, you should go by them, and if they are not, you should try for me at once. Okay, you should check these bonuses because these bonuses are fully stuffed with softwares and mainly plugins, softwares and case studies. Okay, so this was the bonuses, and also you can check the, I'm repeating, and let me just before ending this video, let me just show you that you can go through this video to get a detailed knowledge about this software, why this software is really good. And I recommend any of you, if you are a beginner or a advanced, if you want to know about SEO, if you want easy SEO, you can go through this process and this software also. Okay, I recommend highly, because I have seen the video. So this was a overview, and this was a detailed review about the software, this SEO Dominator. And you can click these buttons, and also after purchasing it, you can click the blue button to get the bonuses, okay, which is coming from my side. So that was the review. I'm signing out for the day, so bye bye.